In today's video, I will show you how to install Windows 1125 H2 using Rufus 4.15. Rufus is a free and lightweight tool that lets you create bootable USB drives, making it one of the most popular applications for installing Windows. In this tutorial, we will download the official Windows 1125 H2 ISO directly from Microsoft, download Rufus 4.15, and use a USB flash drive to create a bootable Windows installation media. Finally, we will use that bootable USB drive to install Windows 1125 H2 on a computer from start to finish. So let's get started. First, make sure your PC is connected to a stable internet connection. Now open Google Chrome or any web browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Windows 11, download and press enter. Scroll down to the Download Windows 11 disk image ISO section. From the drop-down menu, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for 64-bit devices. You can read the information on this page if you want, or simply skip it. Next, select your preferred language and click Confirm. Microsoft will now generate a download link that is valid for 24 hours from the time it is created. Click 64-bit download to start downloading the Windows 11 ISO. Depending on your internet speed, this may take some time, so be patient until the download is complete. Once the download is finished, open your Downloads folder. As you can see, here's the Windows 1125 H2 ISO. Next, we need to download Rufus. Go back to your browser, open a new tab, type Rufus, and press Enter. Open the official Rufus website. Once the page loads, scroll down to the Latest Releases section. Download the latest version, which at the time of recording is rufus-4.15.exe. After the download is complete, return to your Downloads folder. As you can see, here is the Rufus installer. Now connect your USB flash drive to your computer. Before continuing, make sure to back up any important files on your USB drive, because it will be completely erased during the formatting process. Go back to your Downloads folder and double-click the Rufus executable to launch it. Rufus will automatically detect your USB flash drive under the Device section. If it doesn't appear automatically, simply click the drop-down menu and select your USB drive manually. Next, under Boot Selection, click Select. Locate the Windows 1125 H2 ISO that you downloaded earlier. Mine is located in the Downloads folder, so I'll select it and click Open. For the volume label, you can give your USB drive any name you like, or simply leave the default name. Once everything is ready, click Start. At this point, Rufus may display the Windows User Experience customization window. This allows you to customize the Windows installation before it's written to the USB drive. For example, you can remove hardware requirements, skip the Microsoft account requirement, disable data collection, automatically create a local account, and apply several other installation customizations. If you're not sure which options to choose, you can simply leave the default settings and click OK. When the confirmation message appears warning that all data on the USB drive will be destroyed, click OK to continue. Rufus will now begin creating your bootable Windows 11 USB drive. While this process is running, Rufus formats your USB drive, extracts the Windows installation files from the ISO image, copies them to the USB drive, installs the necessary boot files, and configures everything needed so your computer can boot directly from the USB drive. Depending on the speed of your USB flash drive and your computer, this process may take several minutes. Avoid disconnecting the USB drive until the process reaches 100% and displays "Ready." Once the process is complete, your bootable Windows 11 USB installer is ready to use. Now let's install Windows. Connect the bootable USB drive to the computer where you want to install Windows. Turn on or restart the computer. Immediately press your computer's boot menu key several times. Once the boot menu appears, select your USB flash drive and press Enter. Your computer will now boot into the Windows 11 installer. From here, simply continue through the Windows setup by selecting your language, keyboard layout, storage drive, and installation preferences as you normally would. Within a few minutes, Windows 11 H2 will be installed and ready to use. And that's how you can download the official Windows 11 H2 ISO, create a bootable USB drive using Rufus, and install Windows on any compatible PC. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to All PC Geek, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future Windows, Android, AI, and PC tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any problems during the installation process, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you. Thank you so much for watching. This is All PC Geek, and I'll see you in the next video.